Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about power of monomials. Let's have an example. Assume we have 2 cubed raised to the second power. What does it mean? Let's try to expand it. Let's try to write it in the expanded form. First, this square means that we have to multiply what is inside the parentheses twice. So we have to multiply 2 cubed by itself twice. So this is written in the expanded form as 2 cubed times 2 cubed. And we have learned before, in case of multiplication and the bases are similar, we add the exponent. So the answer will be 2 raised to the 6th power. Let's have another example. Assume we have y cubed raised to the 4th power. One more time, we're going to write it using the expanded form. The 4 here means that we have to multiply what is inside the parentheses by itself 4 times. So we're going to multiply the y cube by itself 4 times. Again, in case of multiplication and the bases are similar, we're going to add the exponents. Y raised 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So the answer will be y raised to the 12th power. So, can you find the rule? Is there a simpler way to do this? The answer is yes. Instead of the repetitive addition, instead of saying 3 plus 3 plus 3 4 times, what we can do, we can multiply the exponents. 4 times 3, this is equal to 12. And here also in the first example, instead of saying 3 plus 3 twice, we can use the multiplication. Instead of the repetitive addition, we can use multiplication. 2 times 3, again the answer is 6. So here is the general rule. In case of power raised to another power, like this, x to the power a raised to the power b, we're going to multiply the exponent and the answer will be x to the power a times b. Let's have more examples. Now we're going to try to simplify these expressions using the rule that we have learned before. So here in case of raised powers, we're going to multiply the exponents. 4 times 2 equals to 8. No need to write it in the expanded form. You can write the answer like this. This is written in the simplest form. Here also we have raised power. We're going to multiply 5 times 3. The answer will be 15. So x raised to the power 15. One more time. But here be careful because we have 2y cubed inside the parentheses. So the exponent 3 for all what is inside the parentheses, for the y and for the 2. And we know that if there is no number in the exponent, it means that the exponent is 1, but we don't write it. Again, we're going to distribute the 3 and multiply it with the exponent of all what is inside the parentheses. Let's do that. 2, and for the exponent 3 times 1, this is equal to 3. For the y, we're going to multiply 3 times 3, which is 9. So the answer is 2 cubed times y to the power 9. Another example. One more time, we're going to distribute the exponent for all what is inside the parentheses. And remember, in case of power to a power, we're going to multiply the exponents. Here, since there is no number in the exponent, it means that the exponent is 1. Now multiply. We have inside the parentheses 4ab. Now for the exponents, 7 times 2 is 14. Now for a, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. I want you now to pause the video. Try to do the rest of the questions by yourself. then check your answers with us. Let's continue. We will distribute the exponent. We're going to multiply it with all what is inside the parentheses. Now for the sign, also we're going to multiply the sign by itself 3 times. So we're going to have negative times negative times negative, which is negative. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative is negative. So the answer for this will be negative. Or what you can do, you can say that the negative 3, we're going to raise it to the third power. Okay? Now for the C, 3 times 4 is 12 times D. There is no number. It means that the exponent is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? Now, here look. Since the exponent is even, if the exponent is even, this will remove the negative sign. Why? Because we're going to multiply the negative by itself 4 times. Negative times negative, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times positive is positive. So you can memorize it as a rule. If the exponent is even, it will remove the negative sign and the answer will be positive. If the exponent is odd, we're going to have the negative sign. It will not remove the negative sign. Just in case of even exponent, we're going to have a positive answer always. So now we're going to distribute the exponent for all what is inside the parentheses, for the y, for the x, and for the constant. We said that the exponent will remove the negative sign. So 6, there is no number here for the 6, so it means that the exponent is 1. 4 times 1 is 4, so we're going to have 6 raised to the 4th power times x. 4 times 3 is 12. Y, 4 times 2 is 8. Another example. Here also, we have the same idea. We have power to a power. We're going to multiply the exponents. We're going to multiply 4 times 3. And the answer, we're going to multiply it by 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So the answer is m to the power 24. For the last example, we're going to do the same. Let's multiply the exponent. 2 times half is 1. So this is equal to 4 times y to the power 5, all raised to the power 1. But no need to say that anything raised to the power 1, it's the same. So the final answer is 4y to the power 5. That's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to solve more problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.